Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I have a winner from my last Mask Monday that I did with Life with Christine. She sent a Cheetos mask to me and it was just wonderful. I know it sounds funny, Cheetos mask, but it didn't smell like Cheetos. Don't worry about that. And also Tea Time Adventures and Erlene S. The four of us did a Mask Monday collab together and we're all doing some mask giveaways. And I have a winner that I picked for that. And then also, y'all, I'm wearing this mask. This was sent to me. This is Oxygen Ceuticals. And they sent this to me to try. And there are 6 masks in this box. And this is what it looks like. And it feels fabulous. It has the very slightest scent of sort of like a lemony, not necessarily citrus, but very clean, lemony fragrance. It's very, very light, which is what I like for my face. I don't like heavy scent on my face. So this mask, it says it's Ceutisome, C-E-U-T-I-S-O-M-E mask, balance and hydrating, premium facial treatment mask saturated with sodium hyaluronate and oxygen. And they do suggest using it with their skin balancing toner. And it says it's a Korean mask, and there's a lot of Korean on the box. But you can catch, it does say remove mask after 15 to 20 minutes. Place the sheet mask on face. You know, you have to clean your face first. And they recommend, you know, a lot of masks recommend when you wash your face and then use a toner before you put the mask on. And then have this on for 15 to 20 minutes and then pat down the remaining essence for absorption after you take it off. And in this package, there is some good essence left that I'll put, you know, on my neck and my chest and that type of thing. And although this is a really nice mask, I had a little trouble. It's rather thin, which is good. I like a thin mask. It usually fits well and stays on. But I had a little trouble with the eye hole and the nose area. So now this is hanging down. If you were to get these, you can get them on Amazon. If you were to get them, if I remember, I'll put the link below. Oh no, maybe not. It wasn't Amazon. These, they might be on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure they sent this directly to me from their website. They didn't ask for a video. I'm just using it, so I thought I would tell you about it. This is one of those things that they want on Instagram. But yeah, I don't like this. So I'm gonna cut it off actually. If I had just done this without talking, it probably would be just fine. The mask itself is very nice. It's balance and hydrating is what it says that it does. You shouldn't do this unless you're a professional. I'm used to doing that, so okay. So there it is. And my winner from last week, Mask Monday, which I'll tell you again to please go see Life with Christine and Erlene S. and Tea Time Adventures. These ladies are dear ladies to me. We are in a little group together. We chat and we do Mask Mondays from time to time together. And they're just really nice ladies that I never would have met if I wasn't on YouTube. So I'm just grateful for that. I've made a lot of wonderful friends on YouTube. And like I said, I'm very grateful for that. So, and they live, my goodness, it's like we have all 4 corners, well, not quite, but T's in California, Southern California. Christine is in Northern Washington State. Erlene is on the East Coast. See, I'm showing you how it looks to me. On the East Coast in New York, and then instead of being in Florida, which would be nice, I'm in Alabama. So we're sort of almost 4 corners of the states. So, and they're just, they do all kinds of videos. Christine does a lot of makeup, and she does unboxings, and she also shows us her life with her weight loss journey, and she's just a very wonderful inspiration. She is legally blind, and she's very inspirational, and she's funny, and she's dear. You can just tell by what she talks about and who she talks about, her family and all. She's a dear person, very genuine. And that's how I feel about Erlene and T as well. They're very genuine. What you see on the videos is what you get. They're real. They're real people. And that's really nice. So Erlene S does unboxings, and she does a What's Up Thursday, tells us about her week and her weekend. And then T, and also she does unboxings, that I say that, and she does a lot of giveaways. We all do giveaways. We all do giveaways, and it's a lot of fun. And Tea Time Adventures, she does unboxing. She does a lot of Temu. She's an affiliate for Temu. And also, she's been doing lately, getting her meals ready. She got a meal kit sent to her. She's getting a meal kit sent because her and her guy, sometimes they don't have time to cook, or they want to learn more recipes and what have you. So she's been showing us some of that, and that's really enjoyable. I like to see that. So different things, but similar things we do. So that's my winner of the masks. I don't have the masks with me. They're at my job. My winner is Lisa Babs 4570. So Lisa, I will tell you this, y'all. We all have rules about our giveaways. So my giveaway rules are, you have to be in the US for me to mail this to you. You have to be 18 years or older. This has nothing to do with YouTube. These are things I bought myself or received in boxes. I've paid for it most likely. And if you have any allergic reaction, I'm not responsible. Once I put it in the mail, I'm no longer responsible for it. Most of the time I'll get you a tracking number. So 48 hours to get back in touch with me, and all my information is in the description, as it always is. It's also in my YouTube description, not just in the videos, but it's in all the videos. It might not be in a short. Here comes Blue again. He loves, I have a towel on the table, and he thinks that that's his bed. Okay, Blue, if you're gonna sit right there. Okay, I do have one other thing to talk about. I showed you all oh no, I'm not gonna talk about this because I didn't show it to you yet, okay? I got my Fab Fit Fun. I got add-ons, but I haven't put that add-on video up yet, so we won't talk about that other thing I wanted to talk about. So this might be my the Northern Lights. That was another thing I wanted to talk about. Did you all get to see them? Being that it's Monday, I think it's over. I could be wrong. You know, the Northern Lights, a phenomenon that we would never see in the United States, lower United States. I think you can see them if you're in Alaska. If they're going on, you can see them, you know, what north, like North Pole, Antarctica. Don't ask me because I don't know what all that is. But anyway, I never was good at geography. But I don't know if like the state of Washington and Canada and like that would have been able to see them in the past. I really don't know. Seattle, I don't know. But I know in Alabama, and also when I lived in Chicago for 38 years of my life, I never saw them, never heard about seeing them. It's a dream a lot of us have, a bucket list dream that a lot of us have. And here they were this weekend, Friday. Heard about it from David Muir from ABC News, that it was going to be Friday night. Well, he said the weekend. So what does that mean? So it did some investigation, Friday, Saturday, possibly Sunday nights. I went to bed early last night, well, early 10-ish, 11-ish. I did stay up. Friday night, I had to work on Saturday, so I went out a few times and didn't see a thing. And had read or heard, take pictures because your camera can catch what your eyes can't catch. Didn't see a thing. Very disappointed. Went to work on Saturday. Everybody I work with saw it except for me and one other girl. And we were like, why did we miss out? And the other girl that was there, she actually got in her car and drove around to try to see it. And I didn't do that. Well, Saturday night, I went out a million times. It was a little tiny chilly, so I wasn't just going to camp out there. And, you know, it's dark and it's late. So I think the last time I went out was close to midnight. And I didn't ever see anything. It was very disappointing to me. But that last time that I went out, every time I went out, I took pictures. And the way my phone works, and I'm assuming everybody's phone is the same. I don't know. But when you when you're outside, you know, it didn't do a flash. I just hit photo, and it went zzz, through this little like, it took like a tiny little film. It doesn't show up as a film. It shows up as a picture. But two of the pictures had a very tiny little bit of some pink. So I don't know why. I think I didn't see it because there is too many trees, because I think it was more of something you'd see on the horizon, and my horizon is covered by houses and trees. So, you know, I was looking up, of course, but just near the bottom of the frame is some pink. So I really wanted to see that gorgeous teal, aqua, purplish stuff. I didn't see it, but a lot of people I know saw it. A lot of people here took pictures. I've seen so many pictures, and it was wonderful. I'm a little jealous, maybe, I don't know if that's the right word, but because I wanted to see it with my own eyes. But I couldn't see it with my own eyes. So, but I did get, I'll put a picture or two. I just have two. I have 3 pictures that I took. And one was my eyes view, saw nothing. And the other 2 got a little bit of pink, but it's really low on the photograph. So whatever you call them these days, picture. So that's it, y'all. That's all I got for Mask Monday. So this feels really good, and I think it's hydrating well. Oh yeah, lots of wonderful essence. And then what you'll do is, oh yeah, lots. Just pat it in. Pat it in. So it feels really good. Like I said, it smells really nice. So that is my Mask Monday, y'all. I hope that you are doing something to take care of yourself today. And by the way, I did not mean to skip over it completely. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and I hope everybody had a fabulous Mother's Day. I hope you all did. I was home with my babies, and I'm a mom. I'm a cat mom, so I was very happy. And I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day. And have a great week, everybody. Stay safe. I know the weather is volatile, you know, lots of places. So be careful this week, okay? And hope to see you soon. And count your blessings. Bye-bye.